The Museum of Nature and Science is having science parties from their homes, and today we're learning all about patterns. They're everywhere. Naomi, an educator at the museum, is now challenging you and your kids to find patterns in your day-to-day life. So let's take a look at the patterns that they found.
Hi everyone, my name is Naomi and I'm an educator at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. I'm working from home right now where I'm practicing safe social distancing. And as I've been working from home, I've been noticing a lot of patterns, like what we're going to see in our upcoming exhibit, Numbers in Nature, A Mirror Maze. It turns out patterns are everywhere, from the curtain behind me to the music I listen to even the houses and architecture all around the city. Just yesterday, I was playing with my dog outside in our backyard, and I started picking up some pine cones. And I took a moment more than I normally would to really look at these pine cones. And I noticed there's a spiral pattern at the bottom of the pine cone. Can you see it? Yeah, I struggled a little at first to find it too. So I took a Sharpie on this pine cone and outlined some of the spirals. Can you see how the seeds spiral out from the center? Pretty neat. And this spiral pattern is caused by how the seeds are packed into this pine cone. Mother Nature wants to pack as many seeds as possible in this tiny little pine cone to help my pine tree produce more pine trees. And that creates not only the spiral pattern that I notice, but another pattern where the seeds don't overlap. You know, this looks a lot like flowers I see in my home garden at the front of my house. It makes me really excited for spring to see those flowers start to bloom. Hopefully no more snowstorms. I even started noticing patterns as I was cooking dinner. From the pasta I was making, which was a tiny little spiral, to the vegetable I was making, this head of cauliflower here. Have you ever taken a moment to really look closely at cauliflower or broccoli? Turns out it's made of bunches of little smaller pieces. And as we break off a piece, it looks like that whole head of broccoli did. And we could do this again with an even smaller piece. Here, it still looks like the head of broccoli. Or an even smaller piece still. We call this a self-similar pattern, and we see it in everything from cauliflower to the Rocky Mountains. You know what? That pine tree I found the pine cones under has a self-similar pattern too. Pretty neat. Even today's hottest commodity, toilet paper, has a pattern that we're going to see in Numbers in Nature. The paper on the toilet paper wraps around the roll, creating a really tight spiral pattern. Who knew? Well, I've had a lot of fun looking for patterns around my house, and I hope you'll join us in this pattern search. Share what patterns you find in your home and backyard with the museum by using the hashtag DMNS Science Party. And stay tuned for more information about Numbers in Nature. If you're looking for more fun activities to do, check out the pages of Denver Life magazine. Happy pattern finding, everyone!
Try this fun pattern exploring project from the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Learn more on their website, DMNS.org. Have your own science house party and find the patterns all around you. And share them with everyone by using the hashtag DMNS Science Party. That one's fun.